So another Classic Heroes update for you, and despite the appalling weather outside, you can see we are busy with lots of projects getting cars ready for spring. We have a new 1M joined us here, which is going through the workshop at the moment for full inspection prior to being put up for sale at Classic Heroes. A very well known and famous Series 2 Batmobile there, which we're carrying out preparation work for the Goodwood members meeting in a few weeks' time, in the form of new Batmobile rear spoilers, new wing splitters, new stripes to ensure she's looking her best for Goodwood. Work is still continuing, and a lot of progress has been made on the Italian 3-litre CSI that some of you have seen if you've watched our short films before. The near side of the car now is completely finished with repaired inner sills, inner sill membranes, outer sills, lower wing sections repaired, floor sections and bulkhead. And now activity will move to the offside sill and floor areas. That particular E30 M3, we've been responsible for the care of that car for, God, I think over 20 years now. A late 215 horsepower car. An utterly stunning one. A very recent arrival, and some of you may have seen this E3 2500 pass through a recent auction where we did due diligence on behalf of a customer that wanted to bid on the car. And although very nice and one of the best structures we've seen, the car's by no means perfect, with some corrosion in the rear wheel arches, a slightly poor quality respray in the past, but as I said, the structure is utterly amazing. Mechanically, the car will now be prepared for the summer. All the age-related rubber replaced, suspension bushes, ball joints, brakes rebuilt, coolant hoses, water pumps, thermostats, fully serviced, carburetors balanced and prepared for some road trips over the summer. There's a story to follow on this car, which we'll update you with at a later time, but it's got an exciting future ahead, this 2500. .850 CSI, very rare, and like so many 8s, rust had started to take hold. So the car, we've been carrying out fabrication work to the normal Achilles heel areas, sills, and this side complete near side inner and outer sill reconstructed. Complete reconstruction of the front jacking tube there, and jacking point and hard point. And now ready to go for paint. Lots of exciting projects. More updates to follow from Classic Heroes soon.